Today we will start standard deviation. The concept of standard deviation was first introduced by Carl Pearson in 1893. The standard deviation is the most useful and the most popular measure of dispersion. It is always calculated from the mean. Definition: standard deviation is the positive square root of the average of square deviation taken from mean. The standard deviation is represented by the Greek letter sigma. Then formula is sigma is equal to under root sigma xi minus x bar square upon n. Variance: the square of standard deviation is called as variance by taking the square of standard deviation. Sigma square is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square upon n. Coefficient variance: it is used to measure the variation of the two or more distribution. It is defined as C dot V is equal to sigma upon x bar into 100. Sigma is standard deviation and x bar is mean. Let's see the step how to find standard deviation for ungrouped data. In the first step we find mean. X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. Then find xi minus x bar square and sigma xi minus x bar whole square. Put all this value in the formula of standard deviation. Sigma is equal to under root sigma into xi minus x bar whole square upon n. Let's see the example. Find the standard deviation and variance of this data 4, 6, 10, 12, 7, 8, 13 and 12. So to find the standard deviation of ungrouped data, in the first we have to find mean using this formula. X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. What is sigma xi? Sigma xi is the sum of all this observation 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 12 plus 7 plus 8 plus 13 by 8. 8 is the number of observation n. So it is sum of this observation is 72 by 8. X bar is equal to 9. So mean of the data is x bar is equal to 9. Now we draw the table. In the first column we write the observation. It is xi 4, 6, 10, 12, 7, 8, 13 and 12. Now find xi minus x bar. 4 minus 9 minus 5, 6 minus 9 minus 3, 10 minus 9 1, 12 minus 9 3, 7 minus 9 2, 8 minus 9 1, 13 minus 9 4, 12 minus 9 3. Now we take the square of this data minus xi minus x bar whole square. So minus 5 square is 25, minus 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. Now take the sum of all this xi minus x bar whole square. So sum of this data is 74. So now we put all this value. Sigma is equal to under root sigma xi minus x bar whole square upon n. Sigma xi minus x bar whole square is 74 and n is number of observation is 8. So under root 74 by 8 is under root 9.25. So sigma is equal to 3.04. In the method we have written here modulus xi minus x bar and modulus xi minus x bar whole square, but here we are taking square, so there is no need of modulus here. So here we are not taking the modulus. Now variance is the square of standard deviation. The formula is sigma square is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square upon n. So sigma xi minus x bar square is 74. The sum of this 74 and n is 8. So 74 by 8 is 9.25. Now step to find standard deviation for group data. So if the class of the data is given, then first we have to find xi, then find mean using this formula. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n. Find xi minus x bar square and sigma fi into xi minus x bar square. Put all this value in the formula. Sigma is equal to under root sigma fi into xi minus x bar square upon n. Let's see the example. Find the standard deviation and variance. The group data is given, xi and fi. Class is not given, direct xi is given, so we don't need to find xi. Here xi is given directly. So in the first column we write xi, in the second column we write fi. To find the mean, we have to find fi xi. So multiply first and second column. 4 into 3 12, 8 into 5 40, 11 into 9 99, 17 into 5 85, 20 into 4 80, 24 into 3 72, 32 into 1 32. The sum of this frequency is sigma fi n is equal to 30 and sum of sigma fi xi is 420. So mean is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon n, or sigma fi. Sigma fi xi is 420 and sigma fi is 30. 40 by 30 is 14. So x bar is equal to 14. Now we continue this table. So xi, fi, xi, then we find xi minus x bar. Xi is here and x bar is 14. So subtract xi minus x bar. 4 minus 14 minus 10. 8 minus 14 minus 6, 11 minus 14 minus 3, 17 minus 14 3, 20 minus 14 6, 24 minus 14 10, 32 minus 14 18. Take the square. Minus 10 square is 100, minus 6 square is 36, minus 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36, 10 square is 100, 18 square is 324. Now fi into xi minus x bar whole square. Xi minus x bar whole square is here and fi is in the second column. So multiply second column and fifth column. So 3 into 100 300, 5 into 36 180, 9 into 9 81, 5 into 9 45, 4 into 36 144, 3 into 100 300, 1 into 324 324. Now take the sum of all this data is 1374. So it is sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square. So put the value in the formulas of standard deviation. Sigma is equal to under root sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square upon n. Sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square is 1374 and n is 30. So 1374 by 30, sigma is equal to under root 45 by 45.8, and square by taking the square root we get sigma is equal to 6.76. We have to also find the variance. Variance is the square of standard deviation. So we take this value of standard deviation sigma. Sigma square means under root 45.8 is the value of sigma. Taking the square we get 45.8. Next, find the standard deviation, variance and also find CV. The class of the data is given and frequency of the data is given. So in the first column we write class, in the second column we write frequency. Taking the sum of this frequency, 5 plus 8 plus 15 plus 16 plus 6 is 50. First find xi. 0 plus 10 by 5, 5, 10 plus 20 by 5, 2 is 15, 20 plus 30 by 2 is 25, 30 plus 40 by 2 is 35, 40 plus 50 by 2 is 45. Now fi into xi, multiply second and third column. 5 into 5 25, 8 into 15 120, 15 into 25 375, 16 into 35 560, 6 into 45 270. Take the sum of Fi xi is 1350. So mean is sigma Fi xi upon n or sigma Fi. So x bar is equal to the value of sigma Fi xi is 1350 and n is 50. So 1350 by 50 is 27. X bar is equal to 27. We continue this table. Class Fi xi. Now find xi minus x bar. X bar is 27. So xi minus x bar, 5 minus 27, 22. 15 minus this 15 minus 27, 12, minus 12. 25 minus 27, minus 2. 35 minus 27, 8. 45 minus 27, 18. Now take the square of this value, xi minus x bar square. Minus 22 square is 484, minus 12 square is 144, minus 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64, 18 square is 324. Now multiply this column with Fi. Thus multiply second and sixth column. Second and sixth column. 5 into 484, 2420. 8 into 144, 1152. 15 into 4, 60. 16 into 64, 1024. 6 into 324, 1944. Take the sum of all this observation is 6600. Now put all the value in the formula. Sigma is equal to under root sigma into sigma Fi xi Fi into xi minus x bar square upon n. Sigma Fi into xi minus x bar square is 6600. N is 50. So sigma is equal to under root 6600 upon 50 is 132. So sigma is equal to under root 132 and square root of 132 is 11.49. Now find variance. Variance is the square of the standard deviation. So taking the square of this result, sigma square is under root 132 square is 132. Now here we also find the coefficient variance CV. The formula is CV is equal to sigma upon x bar into 100. The value of x bar is 27 and sigma is 11.49. So put the value in this equation. Sigma is 11.49 and x bar is 27 into 100. So we get CV 42.50. Thank you.